All right, so it's November 2024. We just got about 4 inches of snow on the ground. Gonna head out to Winnett, Montana to hunt my listing, the Spurs and Furs Ranch. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I got a good buddy, Brad, coming in town today. We got the Ranger loaded up. Got to meet in town at 9, head out to the ranch, be there for 10. It's a bluebird day. Hopefully the snow just pulls the birds in a little bit. Should be really fun. So I'm really excited to go hunt today. So follow along for day 1 of Hunt with Buddies in Montana. Nice shot, Theo. Theo, it's you. All good. Some birds flying. So we're gonna take a lunch break. I think we're probably done for the day. Got 2 limits, 2 extra roosters that Theo got, 2 sharp tail, got us some huns. Saw tons of crazy amounts of birds today. It was insane. So time to get a bite to eat.
Let's see here. Rocky, 1, 2, 3, smile.
So day 2 on Spurs and Furs. We're back out here. Gonna chase some pheasants on the west end of the property today. Should be a little different. Really look forward to it. Can't wait to get out there and have some more success like yesterday. That's 1. Brad's on the board with 1 bird. Just started. so that's the first little pinch we did here on the east side. This area has been hunted this year. Easily bumped 7,500 plus birds. It was just thick with hens and roosters. Then they dive into this really heavy cover, which was pretty tough. We didn't want to shoot any over the cover with that. So Brad got 2, I got 1, and heading back to the ranger to regroup, get to another spot, do it all over. So yeah, just incredible. And
Got your hunt, dude.
yeah, dude, that's sick.
Did you get a shot off, Theo?
And back for me. So the amount of birds on this place is astronomical. There goes a good one. I probably could have shot that one. I better turn off the camera. All right, that's pheasant number 3. Probably gonna loop back to the ranger now, see if we can't get more huns and sharp-tail. Hundreds of birds. Just stupid.
There you go.